Give your Nissan Frontier pickup a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit, ultra-flex neoprene seat covers. These custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The backside of the bucket seats are equipped with handy slip pockets to safely store personal items, and the rear bench seat allows access to the center console and cup holders. The covers are waterproof, long-lasting, and durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. Add to your purchase custom-fit car floor mats, durably built and stylishly made for reliable protection. Personalize your ride in a variety of vibrant shades and protect the full value of your mighty Frontier pickup with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit UltraFlex neoprene seat covers.